we're travelling down to Bury to get some work on the car at my granddad's because I do not have the parts that I need. Got the jacket in the back just in case. Let's do this. Low life problems. Speed bump's too big there. You have to come around here. I've legitimately got autism because I actually bought the camera without a cap. I had 2 batteries in my hand and I decided it was a smart idea to leave them on the bench at home. So, but yeah, we got. I don't know if you can tell or anything, but no, we got here perfectly fine. As you can probably tell by some footage, it was really dodgy roads. Alright, through here, and that there is a gift now to me, so let's work on that. So there's a couple wrenches and a couple of screwdrivers and stuff like that, which should be handy. So yeah, main objective for today. Oh buddy, work boots are dirty. Look at them. We've got the Supra working. And we're making our way back to overgoing there, we have got a lot of dirt. So down there, nothing really there. And now for the best part, I'm going to have to cover it just with a number plate. Under here. Now, as coming out of the driveway, we've hit the corner of the driveway. Because, yeah, look how low it is. So, there we go, now it's focused. So we've caused a little bit of dent there, a crack here, oh my god, we actually did a lot. The crack there, we hit it full on flat, and my knees are destroyed. So what have we done? I think we've bent over here or something. How come it's only wet where it was parked? That makes me wonder. And then we'll show you what we've done in the engine bay. Alright, so what we've done, we try to make this, because this isn't the stock one, because it's a 2JZ GTE, so it's not the stock one, it's meant to have pod, but we try to figure out why it was so retarded, and because this bit here is meant to be on the back, so you're meant to rotate it completely around. And that stuffed up everything, so we can't. It's just so then it can avoid the what's it called? The guard, or yeah, kind of guard, yeah. And it didn't really work, so we had to put it back to normal. We couldn't really fix that problem. Next one was there was a cable tie holding this up, so we just made a bracket for that. And there was a crack here and here, which I'll play the clip now, just while I'm talking quickly. And we just got a piece of tin and just bent it around and then just drilled some holes in it. So now it looks pretty good, and then we just put some black paint on it. But yeah, we weren't able to figure out. Oh yeah. Then with the battery, we found out that the earth wire was never actually connected up. It was just hanging down the side here. So whoever used that last is, yeah.